Ayan. Driving the tank home.
Yeah,
Huh?
these aircons are facing me. Can you put them away?
What?
Put the aircon away. I don't want to call this in my
Want a bit of sunlight?
Ah! Look!
Stay on this side.
Come on, Bridge, hurry! Stay on this side. Now are you gonna put the set again? Set.
Press set.
This?
Yep. And one down. Let go of the accelerator. Then bump the speed up. Up.
Yeah, that's a way to long way to go.
Well, that's how you. Where's the speeder going in the middle?
I don't know what you've done with that. Don't ask me.
Is it better? Yeah, 71 kilometres to go. You right now?
Now the aircons are on me.
Why is the seat so low? Huh?
Don't go any higher.
Sunlight?
Leave sunlight alone. We'll be closer.
Where are we going next week?
8 hours drive.
8 hours drive. Looking forward to it?